Leviticus 11:7. And the swine, though he divide the hoof, and be cloven-footed, yet he cheweth not the cud, he is unclean to you. Leviticus 11:7 provides a unique insight into dietary laws of old. The swine, an animal common and familiar, is deemed unclean. Despite the swine's divided hoof and cloven-footed nature, it remains set apart. However, the swine does not chew cud. This fact, though seemingly trivial, sets it apart from animals considered clean. For ancient societies, this difference was significant, affecting their daily meals. But why is it unclean? The swine's dietary habits and habitats attracted bacteria and diseases. Thus, it posed a health risk to those who consumed it unknowingly. This Leviticus verse serves as a reminder of the need for caution and discernment in our choices. Today, however, we have modern health standards to guide us. So the next time you see a pig, remember Leviticus 11:7, a verse that carries lessons on health, discernment, and the wisdom of ancient societies.